Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm 7beats and in this video I'm gonna show you my top 5 stock plugins in FL Studio for creating Afrobeats or dancehall beats. If you're interested in a really awesome Afrobeat sample pack, make sure to check out the link in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to start off with a drum machine. And it's this FPC drum machine, and you could choose from some really awesome presets. So for example, this high quality jazz kit. And just a lot of sounds in there. And when using this plugin, it's really easy to create a drum fill like this. So for creating some fills and drum loops, I should really recommend you this stock plugin. And my second stock plugin is BooBass. It's a really simple plugin and it has just 3 knobs, so bass, mid and treble. And it has some really realistic bass sounds, which you can easily adjust. And some more bass or whatever. Just a really awesome and really simple plugin. My next plugin is 3Ask, so this one. And it's also really easy to use, and you could create some really awesome sub basses with this plugin. And if you're interested in how to create a really awesome Afrobeat bass by using this plugin, make sure to check out my Afrobeat tutorial. The link will be right here or right there. And it's just a really nice plugin to play around with. And plugin number 4 is Sytrus. I think it's a really underrated plugin. It just has some really awesome presets and also a lot of presets. And you could easily add some new presets to this plugin. And it just has a lot of options to create really awesome sounds. But maybe this one is more for the advanced user, but by just using the presets you could create really awesome sounds which really fits the Afrobeat and dancehall vibe. And last but not least, plugin number 5 is Flex. And it's just a really awesome plugin with a lot of presets. It's also really simple to use, and it has a built-in delay, reverb and limiter. And you can add some really nice effects by using this filter and these envelopes. So if you're a beginner, I should really recommend you this plugin. It has a lot of sounds which you can play around with, and I think the quality from the sounds which this plugin has is just really high. So these were my top 5 stock plugins which I use when creating Afrobeats. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're interested in a tutorial where I'll show my top 5 plugins from third parties, make sure to check out the tutorial. The link will also be in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.